The local government areas are said to be the heart of the state, driving the development of the country at a grassroots level. Today, we are going to be looking at the top 10 richest local governments in Nigeria, ranging from their crucial role in economic development and infrastructure to their impact on governance. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Number 10, we have Bonny Island in Rivers State. Bonny Island is renowned for its pivotal role in Nigeria's oil and gas industry. It hosts the Nigerian liquefied natural gas plant, which is central to the nation's gas export, and the island's strategic location has made it a hub for international oil companies and related businesses. Many multinational corporations operate in the Bonny Island, including Shell, Mobil, and Chevron, contributing significantly to the employment and infrastructural development. Bonny Island is also known for its rich cultural heritage and festivals, and the Finima Nature Park, which is a protected rainforest area, is one of the island of top attractions, providing a haven for biodiversity. The Bonny Kingdom is historically significant, with its monarchy tracing back centuries. Despite its economic importance, Bonny Island faces challenges such as limited roads, as transportation is done by boat, and however, the ongoing construction of the Bonny-Bodo Road is expected to improve the connectivity and also transport. It has a GDP of 4.5 billion US dollars. Number 9, we have Calabar Municipal in Cross River State. Calabar Municipal is often referred to as the tourism capital of Nigeria, and it boasts attractions like the Calabar Free Trade Zone, the Tanapa Business Resort, and the annual Calabar Carnival, which draws visitors globally. The Calabar Carnival, often called the African biggest street party, features colorful parades, music, and cultural displays that boost the local economy. The area economy thrives on tourism, commerce, and manufacturing, and the Calabar port is one of the oldest in Nigeria, playing a key role in trade and logistics. The city also has a growing hospitality industry with luxury hotels such as the Transcorp Hotels and the cultural landmark with Slave History Museum. In addition, Calabar is a center for agriculture, palm oil, rubber, and cocoa plantations, contributing to its wealth, and the presence of educational institutions such as the University of Calabar often boasts the economic activity. It has a GDP of 4.5 billion US dollars. Number 8, we have Port Harcourt, River State. Port Harcourt is often called the Garden City and is a major industrial center in Nigeria. It is the home to numerous multinational oil and gas companies, making it a vital player in the nation's petroleum sector. The city also has a bustling port, facilitating trade and commerce, and the Port Harcourt refinery, which is one of Nigeria's largest, is also crucial to the country's oil processing industry. The presence of companies such as Shell, Total, and Agip has led to an influx of expatriates, making the city cosmopolitan, and the economy also benefits from real estate as the demand for high-end apartments and office spaces continues to rise. In addition to its industrial sector, Port Harcourt is also known for its vibrant nightlife, shopping centers, and recreational sports like Pleasure Park. The University of Port Harcourt is another economic driver, attracting students and academic professionals. It has a GDP of 5.5 billion US dollars. Number 7, we have Eti-Osa, Lagos State. Eti-Osa local government encompasses some of Lagos' most affluent neighborhoods, including the Victoria Island, the Ikoyi, and the Lekki. These areas are known for their high-end estate, luxury hotels, and their corporate headquarters. And the Lekki Free Trade Zone and the Lekki Deep Sea Port are major economic drivers that are set to boost the trade and industry. The economy here is driven by finance, real estate, and tourism, and many Nigeria's top financial institutions and multinational corporations have their headquarters in Victoria Island and Ikoyi. And the area is also known to numerous embassies and consulates. In terms of tourism, Eti-Osa boasts attractions such as the Nike Art Gallery, the Landmark Beach, and the Lekki Conservation Center. And the Eco Atlantic project is a massive real estate development and is also transforming the skyline and adding to its economic value. It has a GDP of 6 billion US dollars. Number 6, we have Alimosho, Lagos State. Alimosho is the largest local government area in Lagos State by the population, and it has seen rapid urbanization and hosts numerous markets ranging from small and medium-sized enterprises and also residential development. Alimosho's strategic location makes it an important transit for commuters traveling between Lagos and Ogun State, and the area's economy is bolstered by commerce, retail, and real estate. Major markets such as the Ikeja serves as hub for traders dealing with foodstuff, electronic, and textiles, and the presence of large shopping malls such as the Nova Mall and the City Mall also contribute to the economy. Alimosho is a mix of urban and semi-urban setting with growing investment in education, healthcare, and transportation, and the ongoing expansion of road network in the area is expected to further boost the commerce. It has a GDP of 7 billion US dollars. Number 5, we have Abeokuta South in Ogun State. Abeokuta South is the home to Abeokuta, which is the capital of Ogun State, and the area is known for its historic landmark like the Olumo Rock and has a diverse economy that includes agriculture, trade, and manufacturing. Abeokuta is one of the major industrial centers with companies producing cement, beverages, and textiles, and the presence of firms like the Lafarge Cement and Nestle has strengthened the local economy, and the area is also known for its rich cultural heritage with annual Lasabi festival celebrating the Egba people. And the local government area is also the home to many government institutions which contribute to employment and revenue generation. And the market system in Abeokuta, including the Kotu market, is one of the busiest in the southwest Nigeria. It has a GDP of 8 billion US dollars. Number 4, we have Nnewi, Anambra State. Nnewi is often regarded as the Japan of Africa due to its vibrant industrial sector, and it is a major hub for automotive spare part manufacturing and also has a strong entrepreneurial culture. The city is the home to the indigenous companies such as the Inoso Motors, which is Nigeria's first automobile manufacturing company. The economy is driven by manufacturing, trade, and commerce, and many residents of Nnewi own small and medium-sized enterprises, making the town one of Nigeria's wealthiest per capita. And the presence of numerous banks and commercial centers further strengthen its economy. And Nnewi has an established industrial state, and its residents are known for reinvesting into their local economy, and the town also benefits from its proximity to Onitsha, a major commercial hub. It has a GDP of 10 billion US dollars. Number 3, we have Abuja Municipal Area Council, which is FCT. As the capital city, Abuja hosts numerous government institutions, foreign embassies, and international organizations, and the area boasts modern infrastructure, luxury hotels, and shopping complexes. The economy is driven by the public administration, services, and construction, and Abuja's real estate sector is one of the most lucrative in Nigeria, with high-end properties in areas like Maitama, Wuse, and Gwariwampa. And the city's transport and hospitality industries also contribute significantly. And attractions such as the Millennium Park, Jambi Lake, and the National Mosque also add to its appeal as a business and tourist destination. It has a GDP of 12 billion US dollars. Number 2, we have Ikeja, Lagos State. Ikeja serves as the capital of Lagos State and is the major commercial and industrial hub. It also houses the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, numerous shopping malls, and also corporate offices. The economy thrives on aviation, manufacturing, and retail, and Ikeja is the home to large markets such as the Computer Village, a tech hub for gadgets and repairs, and the Lagos State Secretariat located in Alusa also plays a crucial role in governance and employment. Entertainment is also another key factor, with top music and film studios based in Ikeja, and the area's nightlife and hospitality sector also contribute significantly to its revenue. It has a GDP of 19 billion US dollars. Number 1, we have Lagos Island in Lagos State. Lagos Island is the Nigeria's financial epicenter, hosting the Nigeria Stock Exchange and the headquarters of numerous banks and corporations. It also is a cultural hub featuring landmarks like the National Museum and the Tafawa Balewa Square. The economy is dominated by finance, commerce, and tourism, and the area is the home to the famous Balogun Market, one of the wealthiest and largest trading centers in West Africa. And the Lagos Marina, with its high-rising buildings, is a symbol of the Nigeria financial strength. It is regarded as the richest local government in Nigeria, and it has a GDP of 30 billion US dollars. That's all for today. Of course, if you enjoy watching the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.